Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your support. And if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today, I'm super excited to share with you guys kasi meron tayong unbox. Ito siya. Amazing. Bag full of goodies. So this is from GT Cosmetics. Okay, so excited ako. So isa-isahin natin ito, and please watch until the end because I have a surprise for you. Alam na. Okay, so mag-unbox tayo and alamin natin. By the way guys, GT Cosmetics is a local brand. Support local, guys. I'm going to place GT Cosmetics link, social media pages on the description box. So first, I have here GT Brightening C Plus with Glutathione Hydra White Body Serum Breathable Formula. Grabe, ah. Yan. Meron ditong hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested 4-time skin lightening action for all types of skin. Meron siyang 24-hour plus moisture hydro plus technology. So I believe this is lotion, whitening lotion. And I'm super excited kasi hindi ko pa na-try yung mga GT skincare line. Next here is this lipstick. Meron ako ditong lipstick. Color 1 Natural Matte Liquid Lipstick. So, I have here 3 shades. Yan. Goth Goddess. The Brainiac. Pasensya na kayo sa aking nails. Boss Babe. Wow. Boss Babe. Parang siyang red. Poppin' red. And, I do have the Brow and Snap Auto Brow Pencil and Superior Cover Press Powder with SPF 20, Silky Natural Matte, Oil Control, Hydrating, and Lightweight. Bongga! Next is Chadan! Ito siya. Glutathione Lyshoe. So, merong nalagay dito sa packaging. Water Essence, Intensive Hydro Burst, Beauty Soap, Daily Sun Care, and Night Care. So, i-open na natin siya. And, wow! I hope you can see this. Amazing! Ang ganda naman ng packaging nila, guys. Oh! Ito yung Brightening C. Yan. Ang bango. C Plus Daily Sun Care. Meron ding Intensive Hydra Burst. GT Brightening Beauty Soap. GT Brightening Toning Water Essence. Double to siya, guys. Mga GT Cosmetics, nakikita ko siya sa Watson Store. Meron din akong nakikitang meron ding GT Cosmetics sa Metro stores. I will be reviewing to you this skincare line and review soon on my channel. And the exciting part of this is I will be giving away as part of our giveaway series for my birthday giveaway, I will be giving away this pressed powder and 3 of this liquid lipstick. I would love to swatch this one, but I would be happy if I will be giving this to you because I love you so much. I really wanted to try this on, but then love ko kayo. Char. Yes, totoo naman. So I will be giving away this 3 shades of lipstick plus this one as part of our giveaway series. So all you need to do is mechanics will be down below, and don't forget to use the hashtag Cykaniki GT Cosmetics. Okay? So, for this specific giveaway, so meron na tayong giveaway, guys. Una is yung giveaway na Cykaniki birthday giveaway. Yun ang hashtag natin sa first giveaway, yung mga makeup giveaways din. Second giveaway is the Japonesa soap. And mechanics nandun din sa Japonesa video. Ibang entry din yun. Third giveaway is the ringlight giveaway. And you need to use the hashtag thank you. Meron akong channel na nilagay doon na kailangan nyong i-follow, i-like, and same time, send the screenshot on my FB page. And this fourth giveaway series is with GT Cosmetics, and I will be placing all the mechanics down below. Don't forget to use hashtag Cykaniki GT Cosmetics. So, hope all of these giveaways will be drawn on January 31, 8 p.m. And after this is the fourth one. Meron pa akong another one coming and the load giveaway on the final day. Okay, so I'm super excited to see you all on January 31. So make sure to mark your calendar 8 p.m. So thank you so much for being here, guys. I hope you enjoy this one. And please join the giveaway. Send your screenshot on my FB page. Follow my FB page and the LEM page for additional entries. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and CJV Man's vlog. Okay, so all of the links will be in the description box. Use hashtag Cykaniki GT Cosmetics. So see you soon on January 31, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye-bye. God bless. Mwah.